Dennis here, back with another OPGI product feature. Today we're looking at our 1968 Pontiac GTO Tempest and Le Mans chrome rear bumper by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Here at OPGI we pride ourselves on quality, and these bumpers definitely do not disappoint. When it's time to replace your pitted, rusted, or bent bumper, our die-stamped steel bumpers are beautifully shaped to the factory specifications with all the correct holes and contours. All the holes for bumper bracket mounting, license plate lights, and fuel door mounting are in the exact OEM spots for a smooth installation. At the end of the production line, every bumper is finished with a brilliant triple chrome plating for the long-lasting shine. True showroom quality that you can count on. We featured this bumper on our 1968 GTO at the SEMA show back in 2008. After a long week and hundreds of cars reviewed, ours took home the GM Best Restored Vehicle of the Year award. 11 years later, and the bumper still shines just like it was brand new. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com.
Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.